Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
Physical exercise. Once upon a time in the vibrant town of Happaville, there lived a group of energetic animals who loved to play and have fun. However, one sunny day, they realized that they needed to stay healthy and strong, so they decided to embark on an exciting adventure of physical exercise. The leader of the group, a wise old turtle named Toby, gathered all the animals in the town square. He explained the importance of staying active and healthy, and how exercise could make them feel strong and full of energy. The animals were excited and ready to begin their exercise journey. They started with a lively game of tag, hopping and skipping around the town. Then, they raced each other, laughing and cheering as they sprinted towards the finish line. Next, they formed a circle and practiced stretching their limbs. The wise old turtle demonstrated slow and steady movements, showing everyone how to reach for the sky and touch their toes. The animals followed along, feeling their muscles warm up and become more flexible. As the sun began to set, the tired but happy animals gathered once more in the town square. They thanked Toby for teaching them the importance of physical exercise and promised to make it a part of their daily routine. From that day forward, the lively town of Happaville became even more joyful as the animals continued to play, exercise, and live happily ever after.